Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I have a really fun and different type of video for you today that does not involve nails. I am starting a lip gloss business. Now, since I don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to start slowly. I have watched a lot of videos and done a ton of research. If you're trying to figure out what you are seeing on screen, I first started out with showing the 20 ml syringes. And now these are my lip gloss tubes that I'm going to start with. They are clear and they have a pink top. Now, just like I took my time and really did my research, I took maybe weeks to try to figure out where I can get certain things for certain prices, what I should be using, and I think that this is a really great startup. I will be sure to leave the links in the description below, but I do want to make it clear that I might not have everything that you need to start your startup. This is just what I am using to start my business. So everything that I'm showing in the video, again, might not be everything that you need, but this is, I think, a great start for me. So I am so sorry, but yes, that was my stomach rumbling and grumbling. I'm so surprised that it picked up on camera. These are beautiful mica powders that I'm going to be using in my lip gloss. And I love all of the colors and I cannot wait to use them. I've always loved mica powders. I used to use mica powders in my resin when I was making, resin creations. So I have always loved mica powder. Mica powder just does something to a lip gloss. I love the effect that it gives a lip gloss or a resin piece. And so I just thought that it would be great to start with mica powders first before I would use like a lip gloss coloring. So I just wanted to experiment with the mica powders first. This is a 5-ounce bag of silver holographic glitter. I got my hands on some vitamin E oil and also some fractionated coconut oil to start with. Now, doing research, I thought that coconut oil would be the best oil to start with because it is clear, and I did want to start with some clear lip glosses first. And if you're wondering, everything on screen that you see is from Amazon. So, if you want a really clear lip gloss, I would suggest using coconut oil. If you're going to go into colored lip glosses, I would probably use any other oil besides coconut oil, like jojoba oil, vitamin E oil. There is grapeseed oil. There are so many oils that can be used in these lip glosses. And then this is a 15-ounce bag of Versa Gel. You can get this on TKB Trading, although I got mine on Amazon. It is vegan, gluten, mineral oil free, and cruelty free. Thought these would be fun to do some swatches on. This is just a 3-pack of, it says tattoo practice for training lip and makeup on the label. But these, again, I got on Amazon as well. I thought they were pretty funny when they arrived. But they're cool because you can do your swatches. You can do your swatches on them instead of kind of swatching your own lip. Maybe someday I'll get to showing my face. But for now, I think we'll use these lips to swatch our lip glosses. So again, if you'd like to know where I got any of the products that you are seeing on the screen, please check the description below because I will leave the links below if you're interested. And this is an overview of everything that I got. And I think earlier I didn't get to say, but I did get some pipettes that you see on the left side of the screen. Also some stickers, some thank you cards, and some baggies when I'm ready to bag the lip gloss, and some pink glittery little kind of lip brushes, I guess, to, I just thought it would be a cute freebie. And maybe when you're down to the last kind of, at the end of your lip gloss, I thought those would be helpful to kind of get to the bottom. If you have watched this far and enjoyed the video, thank you so much for watching.